Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please keep on watching to see the transformation of this wig, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The wig was brought to me like this. It's a color 1B frontal wig, so I'm just going to do everything you guys can see, and I'm trying to section the front part where the blonde highlights would be in front. So I'm making like a triangular shape at both sides, and I'm going to bleach that this front side first before going over to the other one. So I'm trying to like twist it so that it can get out of the way, so that I can just start working. You can decide to like unwrap it and pin it, but I decided to twist so it can be easier for me. So I'm using bleach and developer to apply on the hair. So I'm just taking a small amount, starting from the roots down to the tip of the hair. So I couldn't get a foil paper, so I'll be using a leather to do that, to like wrap it, as you can see. So for the back, I'm sectioning it into two so that the bleach can distribute evenly. And I'm still taking the same bleach I used for the front. And I watched some videos on YouTube to guide me. So I'm just applying from the tip down to the roots. I didn't really get to the roots of the hair, so I'm just applying from a lot of bleach on the tip. Then I'm using my hand to massage. As you can see, I wore a glove because bleach really burns my hands, so I decided to use a glove this time around. Yeah. So I'm taking the brush to give it like a stroke, as you can see, so that I can have like this blonde highlight effect, if you know what I'm saying. And that's basically what I did at the back. I made sure the bleach was evenly distributed on the tip. Then I used the brush to give it a stroke so that it can have a blonde effect. So just keep on watching and you'll see the rest of the video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video. If you feel I did a good job and the end result was amazing, please comment down below and give me a like, comment, let me know I'm doing a good job, so I know I'm not wasting my time on YouTube yet. So yeah. So here I'm putting the bleach up of the hair so that it can have like this brown effects. not really brown, but it shouldn't be black, because it's weird if the tip is gold then the whole body is black, like really really dark. So I decided to put the bleach up so that it can have like this effect. I didn't really get the color I was going for the first one, but I went ahead to add bleach to the inside of the hair, like the up part, so that it can, like, it can be a bit, the bleach can be a bit longer, more than the black color. That's what I mean. So yeah. So I removed the leather from the front, and you can see it's highlighted pretty well. It's lifted pretty well. I mean, not highlighted, it's lifted pretty well. So yes. Eh. As you can see, the color has changed. The tip is brown, then there's highlights up. I decided to add more developer, like, to let it be good, let it not be bad, let it be perfect. I mean, what was I saying? Oh my god, what am I saying? So yes, guys, this hair turned out really amazing. My clients really loved it. I'll post the review by the end of the video so you guys can see I'm doing a good job. Okay, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Touch of Mercy. I make wigs, I ventilate closure, I revamp hair, like I do basically anything that's to do with hair, and I've added hair coloring to my resume. Okay, so make sure you follow me on there to see more of my work. Yeah, so this is the hair after I bleached it the first time. As you can see, the hair took really well to bleach, and the tip is really good, like brown, and that's the color I'm actually going for. And I would still those guys, I had to add, my client said she wants more highlights on the back, so I just added some highlights, as you can see. So I'm just going to wash it off. Then I went ahead in the front because there were too much bleach up here, so I went ahead and added, used a black dye, and the bleach here was kind of more, so I also added the black dye. So I'm just going to wash it off now, and I'll be back. This is how the hair looked after I had gone back to add more bleach up of the wig. As you can see, it's more highlighted, and after I did, my client was actually satisfied, so she gave me the go ahead to style the wig. So I'll be showing you guys how I curl my wig. So guys, I've noticed that if you really want your curls to last longer, you pin it after you curl the hair. That's immediately after you curl the hair. But I think I wasn't really sure about what to do, so I just decided to just film it like this and coil it like this. So yeah, guys, I completely forgot I was filming for my YouTube page. That's why it's recorded like this. But trust me, the hair looks really really nice and amazing. My client loved it, like I said earlier, and the curls came out pretty well. Like the hair, I think I'll try this hair for myself. I went outside so you guys can see the sunlight on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I wore it so you guys can see. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you've gotten to this point. Don't forget to follow me on my hair page at Touch of Mercy, and you can also send me some video requests I can try out. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.